You ever wondered how to get your wheels to spark like this? Hey, how's it going? Oh, what's that? What do you mean I can't do a review while eating grapes? Y'all better kiss me. There's this product that I bought from eBay, and they are selling Flints. On eBay, their name is Matching Lighters. You can visit their store and see that they sell the Flints in different quantities and sizes. The good thing about them too, I'll show you it right now, is that they have excellent customer service. I, for one, can vouch for them. Excellent, speedy delivery, and well packaged. This is what I purchased right here, the 100 piece. It's very affordable. It's enough to fit all 8 of the wheels and still have more left. Great customer service, great page. Check them out. This is the Flints. It's very small. And of course, the reasoning of these Flints is because you want your wheels to spark. A power slide, a T-drag, a parallel slide, anything that has to do with friction of the wheels on contact of the asphalt is going to give you a spark. So I'll show you how to install these into the wheels right now. But wait, before I forget, let me show you the tools that you will need. You'll need a drill. You will need some drill bits. The Flints, of course. The skate, a hammer, a vice grip or pliers. The glue is optional. And this 4mm Allen key for the wheels, just in case you wanna, take it off. Alright everybody, now here's what you need to do. You gotta take out a Flint, and the drill bit size that you want to use will be the size that is just a little bit tinier than the Flint. And you want to do that because you need some tightness in the wheel when you're drilling the hole into it, so that you could jam the Flint into it. You want it to jam in. You don't want it to go in easy because you want it to stuck. Just a little bit smaller than the actual Flint. So this should work. Tighten it. Make sure it's in the clockwise position because you are drilling it in. You take your wheel, you pick a spot, and then you drill into it. Okay, drill out. There it is. And then what you do, you grab your vice grip and you grab the Flint with the vice grip. So let me just loosen this up a little bit. Make sure it's got a strong grip, because remember, you want to force this into that hole that you just drilled. See that? That went in. Then I grab a hammer and I just hammer it down. And I do this throughout so that I get our Flints all over the wheel. Let me do one using the glue. Having the glue inside it just gives me a little bit of a surety that the Flint is going to stay into the urethane of the wheel. Grab my vice grip, hammer it in, and there you go. So I'm going to do that all around the wheels. I'll be doing it on these yellow wheels on my skate. And I'll take it out on the road and do some slides for you, and you can see it spark. Okay, let's give it a test run on this rough road in the streets of Nassau. Okay, so I'm just cruising through. Let's do a slide right there. Okay, all right. There is a little spark going on here, but it's not gonna be as clear as it is in the beginning of the video because it's daytime. But I still wanted to show that it could give you a spark. So I'm just skating, feeling it out. As I skate, because the flints are sticking out of my wheels a bit, it's a bit of a rough ride. But the more you skate them, the flints are gonna go really into the wheel. Oh, that was a good spark right there. But yeah, the flints is gonna go into the wheel and it's gonna smooth everything out and it's gonna ride normal. But yeah, as you can see from the footage, it does actually give a spark. I'm doing parallel slides and T-drags and it's sparking. Take it to another area. Okay, you can see the spark a little more because of that little shade by the place that I'm at. So at night it's gonna look really nice, just like how it looks in the beginning of the video. Nice and sparky. Remember, the more flint you put in the wheel, the more it's going to spark. On average I have about like 25 flints in each wheel, and it works good for me, man. It's cool. Alright, so as you can see, I have the flint installed on the wheels, and you can see even from being on this rough surface right here, it can spark because there's friction going on between the flint and the ground. So see that? It's sparking just from me putting pressure on the wheels. So as you can see, they work. So yeah, that's about it. Let me see if I can leave you with some tips and hints about when installing these into your wheels. These wheels are your standard polyurethane material. Now when I say standard, I just mean that that's what quality wheels is really be made of. They're not like those hard plastic wheels that comes on scooters. So if you have good wheels that are made out of polyurethane, then the reason why is use the super glue with the flint is because the wheel material is, it's rubbery. So I let the glue and the flint jam together into the wheel to make a more secure fit. What else? As you saw when I was hitting some of the flints in, some of them is spark. And that's because the harder the flint is jamming into the wheel, it's going to spark because that's still friction that's hitting on top of that flint. So be sure to wear your safety goggles too, because that's another tool that you're going to need when installing these flints into your wheels. So yeah, be sure to visit the description link and you'll go to the store where I bought the flints from, and you yourself can get yourself sparking. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.